In this video, we are going to show you the top 5 best camping chairs in the marketplaces. We have selected them based on their quality, performance, and price. We've made a research for sufficient time to find out them. If you are trying to find out which camping chairs is the best, here is the video for you. Stay with the video till last. After watching this video, you can simply pick the right one. Check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. So, let's start. Starting of our list at number 5, OneTigris Camping Chair. The material brown version OneTigris backpacking chair is constructed from 70-75 aluminum alloy frames, the heavy-duty 600D polyester that offers durability and scratch and dirt resistance. It weighs just 2.4 pounds and has up to 330.6 pounds weight capacity. Sturdy and durable design with a slim yet robust design, the camping backpacking chair has been constructed using high-strength aluminum alloy 7075 that is corrosion resistant as well as the ability to resist oxidation. Double-barred structure improves stability and provides a high degree of comfort. It is ideal for campers, anglers, and hikers. It is easy to set up, weighs just 2.4 pounds. This chair for backpacking has an adjustable frame that folds and can be tucked away into the fabric that can be used for storage and transport. It's easy to put together, simple to take apart to store, and extremely lightweight to make it easy to carry. Multi-purpose use with its ultra-light design, the portable camping chair makes your backpack light. Here is the item number 4, LENCE Camping Chair. Ultra-light and sturdy. Constructed from heavy-duty 900D Oxford cloth and strong 7075 aluminum alloy frames, our lawn chair that is lightweight weighs just 2.3 pounds while holding up to 400 pounds and 180 kilograms. Super stable and comfortable, the updated square structure is more durable than the older designs available on the market. A comfortable and ergonomic seat provides the most comfortable seat experience with incredible wrap and back support. Side mesh panels with breathability allow for more airflow and keep you cool. Portable and convenient, the outdoor chair is foldable and can be placed in a compact bag that can be compact enough to fit in your backpack or carry-on bag. 2 side pockets can hold the small things you need to carry while you're out. Easy setup and clean, it's easy to open it and connect the poles and then attach the seat fabric, then you're set to go. Easy to set up as well as fold away. It's effortless to maintain, simply sweep it away or wash it with soap and water. Occasions, you can carry your camera everywhere you go. The item number 3, Sport-Brella Camping Chair. Ultra comfortable, the easy for you to alter recliner hinges offer 3 options. This means you can lie down, sit back, or even nap while you watch the waves. Put your feet on the footrest, which is detachable, and relax by the recliner Sport-Brella chair. Full coverage umbrella UPF 50 plus protection. The Sport-Brella keeps your skin safe against UVA or UVB radiation. The canopy is equipped with a 3-way pivot and metallic undercoating to provide the best UPF 50 plus protection. It also includes safety tips to protect your eyes. Refreshments on your fingertips. The built-in cup holder, insulated pocket, and storage pocket can hold up to 4 beverages and you'll be ready to crack an ice-cold drink. The zippered storage compartment includes a bottle opener. Lightweight, strong, and easy to showroom made from ultra-strong steel with a lightweight construction. The Sport-Brella recliner chair can support up to 250 pounds. Take advantage of the lightweight bag for storage and transportation. Just the right fit, this ultra-comfortable, lightweight Sport-Brella recliner chair covers all points. Put your feet on the footrests that detach or take your drink you prefer from the drink pouch that is insulated. Number 2 in our list, Alpha Camping Chair. Large size, oversized camping folding chair. Dimensions are 25.20 inch L x 36.61 W and 39.37 H. The weight is 13.2 pounds. A large seating area with 600 x 300D padded Oxford fabric and a padded armrest for comfort for this chair. Maximum loading capacity, hammer tone powder coating that prevents fade and corrosion. For heavy-duty steel frames were placed on the back of the chair. Sturdy structure of the steel frames ensures it can support up to 450 pounds and ensures an extremely durable chair that you can take pleasure in the outdoors throughout the year. Extra storage space, the durable mesh cup holder with an armrest that is at the right height lets you relax in comfort. Side storage pockets hold notebooks, phones, and maps. The side cooler bag keeps you cool during hot summer days. Portable and simple storage. The folding camping chair is simple to put together and fold in a matter of seconds. It folds down to 9.05 inches by 38.58. The weight is just 13.2 pounds, which can be easily stored anywhere. The top one in our list, Kijaro camping chair. This lightweight dual-lock chair gives you the best seating experience, with no-sag seats with durable diamond ripstop polyester as well as breathable mesh for the seat back. The dual-lock chair is perfect to carry around with you when you're tailgating, camping, or simply watching your favorite teams in sports. It comes with 2 cups, an organizer with mesh pockets and zips with carrying straps attached to the chair, and a carry bag. Supports up to 300 pounds. Dimensions 26 inches L by 35.4 W, 35.4 W x 37.4 H in. Product weight 9.4 pounds. Locks can be opened for additional security and stability. Locks are closed to allow for easy transportation. If you've got Kijaro dual-lock chair in your car, you'll use it to enjoy any event, is a soccer game or tailgating, or watching fireworks. Regardless of the outdoor occasion, it's guaranteed to be an amazing seat. You'll also be seated comfortably because our portable ripstop chair comes with a cushion seat and a headrest. The chair is constructed with a firm no-sag seat. Check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. Hope you found this video helpful to find out the best camping chairs amongst a lot of items. If you found this helpful, please give a like, comment your valuable opinion, and tell us which one is perfect for you. Subscribe to our channel to get the latest updates on different product reviews.